We have an earthquake. Like, Masi, we have an earthquake until now. Until now, there's an earthquake. Guti, relax. Guti, relax. Guti, oh my God. Oh my God, still. Look at that. It's moving. There's no wind. I'm dizzy. Look at that. It's waving, even the wall. Do you see that? The wall. Oh my God, it's getting stronger, Guti. Look, Guti, look. Ito liat. No, ito the wood. Kayo. Oh. Masi. I don't know how strong is the earthquake. We have an earthquake. Oh my God. Oh, now it stopped. That one stopped, but we still feel it. You know, it's funny. I was watching Jokoy jokes, and he was on this earthquake and tornado jokes. And then around 5 minutes after, I'm experiencing earthquake here in Jakarta. Si Guti na ninenervyo si Guti. She went out of her room and Ibo. Suda. It stopped na. So I guess that was several seconds. Maybe even a minute, because I still have Lagi? Yeah. I think more than a minute even, because I still got the chance to, I was feeling it. Oh my God, there's an earthquake. And then I got this cell phone to record. See? And then even after I got the cell phone, it still keeps on. It's more than a minute. I think wala na. But that was strong. Later, I'll check kung ano yung earthquake, ha? Grabe.